Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix your ROBOROCK Saros 20 if it's stuck or showing error codes. If it's stuck, first try flipping it over and checking for obstructions. If it's stuck somewhere, lift it and place it elsewhere, then resume by pressing the button on the device or using the app. If it gets stuck again or refuses to continue, flip it over and check if everything moves freely. Test the bumper from all sides, make sure all wheels rotate freely, and remove any debris or hair stuck in them. Also check that the main brush and side brush are fine. The brush won't move in one direction, but should move with some force in the other. Check that the mops can rotate as well. If nothing helps, clean all sensors with a microfiber cloth, preferably with isopropyl alcohol or water, then dry to prevent smudging. Clean the front sensor, camera, side sensor, back sensor, and the forklift sensors on the bottom. If that doesn't work, restart the robot by holding the power button to turn it off. Wait 30 seconds, then hold again to turn it on. Also check the map and the app for recognized obstacles and remove them from the floor. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.